Hey, assalamu alaikum wa aslama. And a song I know, but hopefully मैंने कुछ details को forget किया. ए दिल किसी की याद में होता है बेकरार क्यों? I remember this. Please Hannah forget. 8, which is
ए दिल किसी की याद में
strings. I mean.
होता है बेकरार क्यों? जिसने भुला दिया तुझे उसका है इंतजार क्यों?
यार sweet, not yet.
Sweet love, why would you hurt me so bad? Sweet love, your love I wish I'd never had. Did you ever think of me when you made a fool of me? I'm crashing, I'm crying, such a fool to think you'd even care.
Sarah, not yet.
है दिल किसी की याद में होता है बेकरार क्यों? जिसने भुला दिया तुझे उसका है इंतजार क्यों?
His expression.
Sweet love, why would you hurt me so bad? Sweet love, your love I wish I never had.
He's the master.
तुझे जिसकी तुझे तलाश है.
Love this. I love this. You know, they seem like they have a conversation. They are having a conversation. Yeah, it's like Madhubala and कौन है? यार. Yeah. अच्छा जी मल्हारी चलो मान जाओ. Yeah, that kind of nutcut. So Yar Ali Zafar ek to he is the master of those Western low notes and that thing, the roughness and that the highest, craziest notes. And also Sarah has that vibe. But when he comes to Urdu, then also shining. I miss this, yaar. I miss this.
जिसकी तुझे तलाश है राहों में आज बेकफन तेरी वफा की लाश है ये तो जरा बता मुझे तूने किया था प्यार क्यों ऐ दिल किसी की याद में
Vintage अंग्रेजी म्यूजिक है. Boss. I forgot this. Oh can touch, I mean, within the Urdu words. वो कितना खूबसूरत है यार. She's so good. And this is just the feel of Sajna Dur and Chanve. Ah, of course, yeah. Also Julie, मैं तुमसे प्यार करता था, later. Rockstar.
के उन्हें बहा भी दे जितने हैं दाग प्यार के रो कर उन्हें मिटा भी दे.
Look at that rocker, you know. It's rocker, yeah.
रो कर उन्हें मिटा भी दे.
Expressive singing. Remember the iconic cheeses. This instrument. Look at them, like ऐसा लगता है क्या है? Whitney Houston या फिर Madonna or I mean those OGs, Celine Dion, you know, like they seem like yeah, the OGs of English music, यार. क्या ये? किसी की याद में जितने भी याद किया बहुत कम है. It's outstanding. I paid attention to all of the background chords, guitars और सारा कुछ. वो I don't know the name of the instrument. Yeah, I think there was some harmonium. No, there wasn't. खूबसूरत तरीन. Yeah, the outfits. Sarah's outfit. Yeah, Sarah's outfit the most खूबसूरत. She's wow. I love it. So class. Yeah, and the choice of black color. Black to elegance का symbol. Oh yeah. लग रहा था कि it's a film scene. You know, you do not need huge, tough, extravagant, over the top cinematography, anything. If you have two expressive people, faces, bodies, and voices, they were just like, you know, they were acting. We were having a film scene on there. You know, those so challenging, so outstanding. अगर हम try करें, of course, we will grow and enrich our knowledge as singers. I once मैंने देखा एक maybe British or an American vocal coach जो कि react कर रहा है to Ali Zafar's Rockstar, and he was stunned. I was like, दिल को करार आया, because not me. This is not only me. He's doing wonders, yeah. Like such में. In terms of Western तरीका या फिर even also Pakistani music. But yeah, that's his touch now. The bhari awaz and the expressive, that cracking sound over having the terrace. So he's wow. Also Sara. So it's a nice choice actually. Actually, dono saath mein bahut amazing, stunning sound kar rahe hain. The Western feel in the background and the instrument and the sounds, it just adds more beauty. I also love whenever a video opens up with this OG, like Ranjish Hi Sahi, like this one, like they open their videos up with the legend, the original ghazals. Or I think this was also in Mujhse Pehli Si Mohabbat. I remember this in Ranjish Hi Sahi. It's खूबसूरत तरी. Yeah, I hope मैंने justice की, because of course I know it. I'm sorry, but yeah, the more you listen to it, the more you know more, and the more you love. Sara's outfit, that's black with the shawl. That shawl is like, wow. Even the way they look, they symbolize the combination of Pakistani Western, because that shawl is not European or English. Yeah, इसमें जो motifs है वो बहुत अच्छे लगे. The ending, बेकरार क्यों, I forgot क्यों, यार. I wonder BTS है, because I wonder कैसे reach किया all of those. I'm sure वो सारे हरकतें वो original में नहीं है. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah. Ding ding. Okay, this is new.
ऐ दिल किसी की याद में was composed by Master Inayat Hussain. Brilliant composition, we both thought so. इसके नोट्स बड़े मजे के हैं.
इस गाने को हम बिल्कुल स्मोकी बार जैज फील देके से बना रहे हैं.
We all thought, and Bilal also. Bilal को बड़ी पसंद है actually. He really wanted to do this.
फील इस तरह का रखा हुआ कि जैज और ब्लूज की फील है.
मैं मेलोडी का प्ले कर रहा हूँ गाने के अंदर. मैं मेलोडी का प्ले कर रहा हूँ गाने के अंदर.
ये
मेलोडी का वो है स्वीट फील करवा रहा है. वो थोड़ा सा सैडनेस भी है, स्वीटनेस भी है, दोनों है इसमें. मगर जब गिटार आता है तो उससे जरा सा रॉक हो जाता है गाना.
अच्छा, ये हाई से
मैं जब आया था तो गाना pretty much बन चुका हुआ था. बेतहाशा कोड जिसके अंदर डाले हुए थे, तो मैं जरा घबरा गया था पहली दफा. उन्होंने कहा था कि आप इस पे इलेक्ट्रिक बजाएंगे.
पासिंग नोट्स, दो नोट्स की कॉर्ड्स, जैसे कि पोजीशंस होंगी.
Nostalgia, यार. Those seasons.
है दिल किसी की याद में होता है बेकरार क्यों.
अच्छा, तुम गा रहे हो, अब लड़की तुम्हें जवाब दे रही है कि
मेरा जरा तुम जान लो, खुश है ये तन्हा तुम मान लो.
नहीं, जो तुम शिकवा कर रहे हो दिल से, ये उसका जवाब है. आप लिखेंगे इसमें. ये नई मेलोडी है, ये नई मेलोडी है.
Song's like a banter between the boy and the girl. The boy is really broken.
हाँ जी.
His heart's broken.
But it's a very different kind of banter, which I really enjoy.
ये तो बता जरा मुझे तूने किया था प्यार क्यों.
As far as like my personality goes, I feel like I was able to connect with whatever Bilal had written.
And yeah, so it is giving it a jazzy vibe, man, and with a beautiful woman out here, it's gonna be fun.
The drumming must be even more stunning. Of course. لازم تتفلسف. Where is Sarah Haider? Yaar, I need to listen to, much more from her. His haircuts, yaar, like, he's crazy. Yeah, it's such a nice vibe. I think अगर जिंदगी में ना मरने से पहले अली ज़फ़र से मिलूंगी ना, I will just be singing like कुछ, without any thoughts. He just makes you comfortable. I feel you just wanna sing. You like normally लोगों के सामने you feel shy, you feel कम नहीं, you feel like मैं बात करूँगी ना गाऊँगी. But yeah, I think he's one of those people who makes you sing, He's got a musical craziness and such a nice aura. And I miss Sarah Haider such. So yeah, where are strings to bring all of these masterpieces again? Please. I just got an idea. अगर combined producers होंगे एक season में, like I'm imagining Zulfi and strings, or just one of them. Yeah. Gosh, just imagine, जैसे कि फिल्मों में, like for example, हमेशा has Salim Suleiman in the score and Anu Malik in the album, so they can do that. I think we'll have an amazing Coke Studio season. Hi Allah, so khush yaar, these are so amazing, and I'm gonna watch more reactions, Yeah, because I need to see people agree actually. He's doing miracles. I don't know much, फिर भी I can get all of those things. मुझे names नहीं पता और those हरकतें, but yeah, जो भी वो कर रहे हैं. He's Ali Zafar. Yeah, such an amazing night, yaar, and all the amazing gems. तो जी, I think हर दफ़ा जब आप एक ऐसे गाने को suggest करेंगे जो कि मैं जानती हूँ, I will watch the BTS to balance it up and see stuff I didn't see. होता है बेकरार क्यों? I think it can even be done amazingly in another mood. In a very desi style. So yeah, I've always remembered those those iconic moments. There is a very nice dil. यार कौन करता है ऐसा? Outstanding. अल्लाह का शुक्र मैं गा सकती हूँ to just make you understand मैं किस चीज़ के बारे में बात कर रही. I can sing and I can imitate the amazing chords. अल्लाह का शुक्र, वरना कैसे नेम करूँगी मैं? So yeah, the OG start, the outfits, the singing style, the arrangement, the western feel, सब कुछ. मेरा दिल साव तेरे लिए, और मेरी हर song तेरे लिए. And yeah, and also Sajjana Dur. Yeah. Brilliant.